You know that 50,000 naira where you keep for savings account? It loses value every single day. What if I tell say you feel make and work harder than your colleague will do over time? In this video, I'll show you how Treasury Bills can change your money game completely. No risk, no scam. Look, if you be Nigeria, you don't see how. You save 100,000 naira this year, but come December, that same money, no fee buy, with the 80k fee buy before. Now inflation, they kill us softly. Your bank, they give you 2% interest. Why inflation, they chop 80% of your money? You see, many Nigerians, they hustle hard, but their money, they're lazy. You keep it in your savings account and the bank pays you crumbs, while they use your money to invest in government securities and make big profits. Why not just cut out the middleman and do it yourself? As we progress in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know and show you exactly how to invest in Nigerian Treasury bills step by step. Even if you've never invested before, I'll show you how much you need to start. Spoiler alert, now small money, where to buy them without stress, and the exact returns what you can expect. Plus, I'll show you the mistakes people make and how to dodge them. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly how to make your first Nigerian Treasury bills investment. Treasury bills are simply you lending money to the Nigerian government for a short time, say 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. In return, they pay you back with extra money on top. Think of it like this. Your friend borrows 10k from you and promises to return 11,500 naira in 3 months. That's exactly how Treasury bills work, except here your friend is the Nigerian government. And when it comes to paying back, government, no they fail. Now, sometimes you'll hear things like face value of 100 each. All that means is that 100 naira is the official price per unit the government will pay you back at maturity. But you don't actually pay 100 naira up front. You buy it at a discount. For example, if the face value is 100 naira, you might pay 90 naira today, and after 91 days, you get 100 naira back. That 10 naira difference is your profit. Let's use a real scenario. Imagine the Nigerian government needs 100 million naira to pay salaries. They issue treasury bills worth 100 naira each with a maturity of 91 days. You invest 10,000 naira in these T-bills. At the end of 91 days, you get your full 10,000 naira back plus interest, all guaranteed by the government. Now, let's check the current market rates for Nigerian T-bills. 91 days, about 16.39% per year. 182 days, about 17.64% per year. 364 days, about 19.47% per year. Here's what that means. If you choose a 91-day bill, you'll get your money back faster, but with a slightly smaller interest rate. If you choose the 364-day bill, you wait longer, but your return is higher. Imagine 3 jars. The 91-day jar fills small but quickly. The 182-day jar is bigger, and the 364-day jar is the biggest. But you need to wait the full year to collect it. Your job is to choose which jar matches your money goal, faster cash or bigger payout. There are 2 main ways to buy treasury bills in Nigeria, the primary offer and the secondary offer. First, let's talk about the primary offer. This is when the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, sells treasury bills directly to investors during its primary market auction. It happens twice a month. You buy straight from the source, usually through your bank or a licensed investment app. The minimum is often 50,000 naira to 100,000 naira, but some apps let you start with smaller amounts. The sweet thing here, you usually get the best interest rates. Think of it like buying tomatoes early in the morning at mile 12 directly from the farmer. Fresh, cheaper, and best quality. Secondary offer. This is when you buy treasury bills from another investor who already bought them in the primary auction but wants to sell before maturity. You can do this through your bank, broker, or app like Fair Money, PiggyVest, Cowrywise, which makes it easy. Just download, verify your account, fund it, and buy. Here, prices can be slightly higher or lower depending on demand, interest rate changes, and how much time is left before maturity. It's like buying tomatoes later in the day from a middleman, still good, but maybe you pay a bit more. So, if you want the best rates, plan ahead and target the primary offer dates. But if you don't want to wait for the auction, the secondary offer lets you get in anytime. Just know the rate might be different. Step 1. Get ready. You need BVN, a bank account, and a small capital, minimum 10,000 naira on some apps, or 100,000 naira for bigger ones. No be for billionaires only. Even if you're a teacher in Abuja or an Akara seller anywhere in Nigeria, you fit join. Step 2. Choose a platform. Forget trekking to the bank. Use apps. For example, download PiggyVest or I Invest from Play Store. Sign up, verify your BVN, and fund your wallet with a transfer or a card. Bam, you're ready. Step 3. Invest. Open the app, go to the Invest section, select Treasury Bills. Choose tenor, say 364 days for higher returns. Enter an amount, like 100,000 naira. At an 18% rate, you'll get back 118,000 naira after 1 year. No hidden fees, just pure profit. Picture Chinedu, who is an Uber driver in Lagos. He saves 50,000 naira every month from a side hustle. Before, he spent all on impulse buys. Now, he's locked in T-bills via app. After 6 months, an extra 4,500 naira interest, enough for fuel or a small flex. You fit do same. That 1,000 naira you are wasting on 2 bottles of Coca-Cola per day can turn to 10,000 naira extra by year's end. As of now, you may get between 10 to 20% returns per year, depending on the tenor. So if you invest 100,000 naira for 1 year at 15%, you'll get 115,000 naira back. That's 15,000 naira profit for just keeping your money safe. Can your savings account give you that kind of return? I doubt it. Quick mistakes that you must avoid. Don't put all your money inside. Treasury bills are for money you don't need urgently. If you put your rent money inside, you go cry when your landlord shows. Also, don't fall for scammers. Stick to recognized platforms. Lastly, understand that your money will be locked for the period you choose. So what are you going to do now? Pick one app. Download AM today. Start with small money, even 5,000 naira 𝐘𝐿. See how it works. Then you can increase it later. And if this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and share with your people. Let's fight Sapa together. Drop a comment. Tell me how much you want to start with. I read all comments.